Hey everyone. So honestly, I wasn't going to record anything today, but my buddy literally just called me asking about some AI trading bot he saw promoted on Instagram. And I was like, dude, no, that's definitely a scam. And then I realized I keep having this same conversation with different people every week. So instead of explaining this over and over, I'm just going to make a video showing what I actually use and why everything else out there is basically trash. No script, just showing you the real deal. Been using crypto trading bots for like 2 years now, tried a ton of platforms. Most were garbage or straight scams, but I eventually found one that works. About 9 months back, I discovered TradeSmart, and it's been the only platform that's actually delivered without pulling any shady stuff. Okay, so this is the main page. First step is authenticating, so I'm clicking connect. Cool window pops up and I'm selecting trust wallet. Waiting a moment. Perfect, I'm in. Nice. Next, I'm choosing my preset. There's safe, optimal, and aggressive available. This sets how the bot executes, my risk exposure, expected returns, and how much capital is required. It's recommending optimal, but I only use that early on. Just pick whatever suits you. Right, then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which AI brains handling all the trades. And from what I've seen, auto select is the best choice. It consistently picks the optimal one and I've never had to manually adjust it. Next is investment amount, just whatever you're comfortable with for this session. All right, then comes network selection, depends on congestion and what the gas fees look like. So I choose whichever has cheaper fees or just leave it auto select. Last thing, click start AI, which gets everything running. So let's just, let it run for a few minutes. Alright, so several minutes passed and I've stopped the session. And here's the full breakdown by total balance, profits generated, trades completed, win rate percentage, and session duration. There's also a bot console displaying every single action it executed. So yeah, this should demonstrate how legitimate and effective this tech is, especially right now in 2026. So now I just need to select the currency, put in my address. One moment, please. Okay, now I'm hitting confirm withdrawal. All right, it's processing. And good, tokens heading to my wallet. All right, so while I'm waiting for those to appear in my balance, let me tell you about my experience and why this is genuinely the only platform worth trusting. So the absolute worst experience I had was with this platform that was being promoted by like 3 different crypto YouTubers I used to follow. Figured if multiple people were vouching for it, must be legit, right? Wrong. Deposited funds, everything looked fine for about a month, was actually showing profits. Then suddenly they announced a mandatory upgrade where everyone had to deposit additional funds to migrate to the new system or you'd lose access to your original deposit. Classic extortion move. I didn't fall for it, but I also couldn't withdraw my original funds. Just gone. That's when I learned that influencer endorsements mean absolutely nothing. Those guys were clearly getting paid to promote garbage. TradeSmart is the opposite. I've never seen it aggressively promoted anywhere. No influencer campaigns, no paid promotions. It just exists and works. And here's what proved legitimacy to me. The performance is realistic. So if you're sick of getting scammed and you want something that actually works, TradeSmart link is down in the description and I'll pin it in the comments too. Not trying to sell you on anything, just sharing what's worked for me after wasting money on trash for 2 years. Peace.